Hey, I'm Matthew, and I'm the CEO and co-founder of NormEQ.
Hey, I'm Shashank, and I'm the Chief Product Officer. Sorry. Hey, I'm Shashank. I'm the Chief Product Officer and co-founder of NormEQ.
Well done. You've just made one of the best investments into your professional growth.
NormEQ's AI is hard at work, analyzing your assessment and creating your profile. And in 2 minutes, here's what you'll unlock. Norm is a superpower for understanding your team. How they thrive, how they receive feedback, what makes them feel valued. All this and more instantly at your fingertips.
No more expensive 20-page PDFs gathering dust in your cabinet. No more guessing how to manage or motivate your team. So, here are our 5 favorite ways to use Norm to lead smarter and team better.
Ready to get started? First up is our most popular function, interpret. Is your teammate sounding too blunt? Interpret to see if that's just their style. Not sure what they're asking for? Interpret to get a quick second opinion discreetly.
You can use Interpret in any chat, channel, or group by hovering over the message. Hit the 3 dots on the right and scroll down until you see the Interpret button. Next up, rewrite. I use rewrite most when I need to give Shashank or our engineers feedback. Norm takes me most of the way there, telling me what they need to hear based on their personality, and then I just put that in my voice. Norm doesn't know my tone yet, but that's a feature for a future build. Hey, what do you use rewrite for, Shashank?
I use rewrite to ask for support, or to tell Matthew to get off my back.
No, you don't. Do you? Oh, that smile.
All right, time for your first look at your working style.
Yes, okay, working style. So this is your 1-page working style with 3 bullets on how your team should communicate with you, collaborate with you, and support you. Now, this is just a taste. Your full NormEQ profile is actually comprehensive and private, so only you will be able to see it. It's going to be ready for you by the end of this talk. So that was a sneak preview at your working style. Let's go on to our next favorite function, the team directory. This is the quickest way to find someone's working norms. I use it when I need a quick read on a colleague, and it's especially helpful at the beginning of a relationship.
So this is Matthew's working style, and this really helped me when we started working together.
Ooh, this is one of my favorite functions. This is the improve teamwork function. What it is, it's a deep dive into one-on-one dynamics between any 2 people. So, all right, this is an open the curtain moment. We're letting you in behind the curtain to Shashank and my relationship dynamics. As a people manager, I'm constantly thinking about how to give each of my team the environment, structure, or freedom they need to do their best work. But it needs to complement my style too. So once I'm past the initial phase of a relationship, the improve teamwork function is where I go to unlock better collaboration with each member of my team.
The most powerful and flexible way to use Norm. I used to go to ChatGPT a lot before Norm, but ChatGPT doesn't know my team's profiles. Norm is like ChatGPT, but with the context of your team. What do you use it for, Matthew?
Personally, I chat with it like Claude or ChatGPT, but I use it primarily for team-related things. So what are my top 3? Top 3 are probably number 1, meeting prep, number 2, debriefing a weird moment in real life, and number 3, maybe self-discovery. So, for example, I might go in and say, hey Norm, here's what I want to achieve in my next meeting with John. Help. And I mention the other person so Norm knows to reference their profile. Or I go, hey, I got this feedback from Y. What do they mean? Or I might even go something like, hey, I feel like I'm more introverted than my profile. What does that mean? And finally, help. This is the quickest way to find all of Norm's functions. So let's spend a moment on this. Here are the functions we've covered. We've covered interpret, and rewrite for on-the-go live conversation help, team directory for brand new relationships, improve teamwork for unlocking productivity after the initial phase. Now here's where you can find your full NormEQ profile and one-page working style. And this is also where you can use Norm to show you your blind spots, your strengths, and create mini 5-day growth plans on a specific topic. Right, so there you have it. Did you follow along? If you did, check out the NormEQ Updates channel to see your pop culture character match. Tony Stark. And if you got stuck anywhere, reach out to founders@normeq.com and we'll help you out as soon as possible. Thank you.
All right. How do you feel about that?
I think that was good. Let's
Okay.
move on. Yeah.